Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use starts with and ends with in data validity in AppSheet. So I have a sample application here. So what I want is I want to put a data validity in this column when user adding a new data in this column. I want it to start with 2022. If it's not starts with 2022, it it is become invalid. So to do that, we're gonna use the expression called starts with. Let's go to my app editor. All right. In my sample app, I have just two columns. So this is the sample column that we are going to use the starts with expression. So let's go to data validity and put invalid if. So we're gonna use the expression called starts with, and what is the target column, which is this column, which is this. So the target column is the sample column. Then what is the starting letters or numbers? So I wanted to start it with 2022. So if it starts with 2022, then it's valid. So starts with is a yes or no expression. So this is perfect to use in data validity. Let's try. Okay, let's refresh the app. So currently, allows us to save. So now when we refresh, so let's say this is my data and I would like I put something like this. It's showing invalid. Okay, so if I put 2022, I can save it. So that's what is the use of starts with. This is to avoid any wrong entry. And also, what if we wanted to ends this with specific text or a specific number. So let's say I wanted this this entry is valid if it ends with at gmail.com, for example. So we're gonna do that using the ends with. So here we can apply also in the same data validity. We can also use and. So then it will be ends with. Ends with also is a yes or no expression, and it's perfect in using in data validity. So let's say this ends with at gmail.com and save. Let's try. Okay, let's add a new entry. So let's say this is starts with 22 at Yahoo. So it's showing invalid entry. If I change this to at Gmail, allows me to save. So this is the use of ends with. You can also break the formula. Let's say you want only ends with in this, so you can just remove this and remove this. Let's say you are only allowing Gmail entries. Let's say here. So this is a valid entry. So if it's that, let's say if it's .co, you cannot save it. So it should be .com. Okay. So this is how to use the starts with and ends with in data validity in AppSheet. So I'm gonna paste this expression also, this sample expression in my YouTube description. At least you can have it as your reference. All right. So the formula for ends with is this. This is the target column, and what would you like to be the end of your of the text? So you can just put it double quoted like this. And in ends with, in starts with, it's the same with starts with. So this, and then what would you like to be the starting text or string? Let's say you want 22. So this is how you're gonna use these two expressions, and you can combine both starts with and ends with using an expression. All right. So if you learned something in this video, don't forget to subscribe and comments if you have any questions, and see you next time in my next video.